Simba Soldier presents Why Are Structure and Function Important to Make Proteins? Starring Protein, Timon, Sazu, and Simba. Good morning to the best Simba soldiers in AP Bio. Today we have our reporter, Sandra Sazu, interviewing Kayla the Protein. Now let's hear a word from Sandra Zazu.
Thank you, Simba. Here I am with a protein. Let's see what she has to say. How does your structure define you?
Well, the first thing you need to know about me is that depending on where my R groups are located, I'll have different functions because the amino acids are arranged in a random way. I would have a lot of different functions to do. Maybe my job would be to defend the body, or I could be moving things from one location to another.
So what are you saying? Is that depending on where your R groups are located, you will have different functions?
Yes, exactly. The randomness just increases as you move to combining polypeptides together. Once you have 4 random polypeptides combining, they have different functions.
Interesting. Do those
Here are 4 different amino acids. There can be at least 16 different arrangements. If there are 20 different amino acids, there are a lot of combos you can make.
Interesting. How do those polypeptides bond to each other?
Here they share electrons so that they can balance out like this. This is a hydronic bond, this is ionic bond, this is a disulfide bridge, and this is another bond.
That's awesome. Why is your function so important for you to be a protein?
As you know, proteins have many jobs to do. Some fight off bacteria. Others might send messages, provide structural support for cells, or even transport or store atoms. So this is all really just comes back to the fact that our structure affects our function, which makes us proteins. Because we do so much things, we need a complex system in order to carry all those activities.
That is very interesting and pretty amazing. If I may say so myself, well, thank you, Protein, for being here.
Well, thank you, Sazu, and with that we end today's video episode. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Follow us on
YouTube,
Twitter, and like our page.